Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
Bonnet on and all. Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Sharnice. If not, welcome back. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, I'm finna be on the road with my family. We're going to a family reunion in Omaha, Nebraska. Now, how many times have you heard somebody say Omaha, Nebraska? Probably in your lifetime, honestly. I ain't been there since I was a kid, so this should be interesting. But what I wanted to show y'all was my little bag for the road. It's 7 hours to get there. Y'all, look at this bag. Look at this bag. This is a bag that I got from what's it called? Primark in New York. Because I had to bring stuff back, and I took a backpack. I'm taking a backpack again, just a bigger backpack. But this is my snack bag for the road, y'all. It's all kind of stuff in here. Ridiculous. We got the protein on deck, so we got a bunch of goodies in here. I'm so excited. Anywho, I need to go because Mama done already called asking where I'm at.
Like birds scratching and stuff, or like something scratching. You know, like birds like flying against us.
That's bird. Mama, yo, I'm not going nowhere with Mama ever again. We getting a rental car. Let me. I'm gonna do it.
Yep, I'm in it.
Do I need a overview? What you call it? What? You are a mess. Okay, go ahead and pull it out so you give me I'm trying to squeeze in there. What you mean? I'm giving you video. Oh yeah. Get them. Mama can't take you nowhere. Nowhere.
Yeah, I think on half, or whenever you drop it off, just make sure it's on half of the
Okay.
I do need an emergency phone. If you want to use our coverage, we have walkway coverage for collision, roadside liability, or use your own insurance.
I have my insurance.
Okay, who's your insurance for?
Shelter.
Is that a credit card?
Hey y'all, I am in the car. We are headed to Omaha, Nebraska. I look a hot mess. I am so mad about my little pimple right here. Like, wow. I ain't really had no pimples this entire pregnancy, but the one time I'm going on a trip for my family reunion, a big ass pimple wanna pop up. Annoying. Anywho, I ended up having the whole back seat to myself. I have all the goods, all the food. We at Wally World right now. William, do you know where we at?
Well, it's working.
Do you know where we at?
Hell no, I'm asleep.
We somewhere in Kansas.
We somewhere in Kansas.
We're somewhere in Kansas, but we only got like 2.5 hours
We
left.
are in Holton, Kansas.
Holton, Kansas.
Are they ready?
Oh, they up there waiting?
Oh.
Okay, driver. That's funny. They up there waiting.
Why ain't nobody calling?
They sure is. They sure look like they waiting on a ride. It's been a really good trip, y'all. It's been actually rather quick driving the 7 hours. So, yeah, we're going on the road maybe about 7. And it's 12. So, yeah. Period.
carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my dreams away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long black road on the tears I cried. Same carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my dreams away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long black road on the tears I cried. Seen the innocence was born astray, had to leave my home at an early age. I saw mama praying, I saw daddy crying.
I didn't have time to give y'all a tour of the Airbnb, but we all got on our Oklahoma champ stuff coming to Nebraska. Oklahoma champions. So we're finna go do the meet and greet for the family reunion. We made it. Y'all, we finna take the infamous family photo. That was funny. Got on our shirts. I keep forgetting about y'all, but we're gonna go eat at Cracker Barrel for breakfast, and then we'll be heading to the picnic. Trying to get myself together. Had that pimple with a mole. They in there reminiscing on family stuff. So, CJ's here. What a deed. Wow. Okay, y'all, we pulling up to the picnic. It's inside, thank God. We did eat at Cracker Barrel before. I didn't show y'all nothing because it wasn't nothing to show. Oh, sound like he praying. I'll be back. She said don't take her picture until she get cute.
I can dance home and I don't two-step. Y'all looking at something like a true yeah. A girl talking at a
Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop this time. Two stumps. Slide to the left.
Hey.
Slide to the right.
Hey. Let's take our infamous picture.
Let him sit right here.
We done left from the family reunion and gone shopping. Yeah, we done came shopping. Now I'm just trying to see if I can find CJ a Nebraska onesie, which I probably won't be able to in Ross. I might try to go to Walmart if we have time. If not, we'll be ordering it from Amazon. You know, as a mother now, so I'll be thinking about the kid. See what I can find. Y'all already know why we in here and who we in here for. My mother.
Go on. Go on. Go on. Boy, that's why you shouldn't be doing that. Sure.
Big old bag. Stuff. Bath and Body Works expert. Saved over $200. I'm stretching my back. My back hurt. That's nice.
You know, this is to make sure you get it back on track. And then in two.
Food is good. Can't wait to have some of that cake. And the music is good. You can't see them though. Hold on. Do y'all know what song this is? If you could walking in front of me. this is the beginning of the Airbnb that I'm just now showing y'all because I forgot we finna leave, packed up, ready to go. But I'm also doing this for legal purposes because this is how we left the house. Especially since we are leaving early. Oh, and Alice even made up her bed. Isn't that nice? Hi. Isn't that nice? Nice walk through bathroom. They told us to put all the towels on the floor. All right, this was a closet with extra stuff. Dining area. Let me cut this light on. And then another room with its own bathroom. I'll cut the light on. Yeah. Towels on the floor how they should be. They have this nice extra fan. Real nice. It's unplugged. That light's off. We cut this light off. Cut the ceiling fan off. I'll be back. Him good. Kitchen's good. We took out the trash. That trash is empty. There's just some water left. That's empty. Let me go and take this out. No problem. Okay. Empty. We didn't even go outside, but there's a whole nice backyard with a fire pit and stuff. One tree. Make sure this door is locked. Kitchen done. That's empty. This is empty. Let me cut this light off. Okay. It's dark in here, but the garage is left empty. I guess his light don't come on. Okay.
What's up, young man?
Front door. Go down some steps. So they got little up steps, little down steps. I'm not gonna cut on all these lights, but y'all see down here, pool table, games over there, nice living area. Where's the light for this? Let me see. Yeah, there y'all go. Real nice, real nice, real nice, real nice. And then there's 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, and then a bathroom. And they all have full-size beds in them. Me making sure I don't see nothing. This is the laundry area. Oh, and they got like high chair, pack and pay, all kind of stuff. Very accommodating. We appreciate that. This is the bathroom. They said put towels on the floor. So yeah, that's what this is. This curtain did come down while we was in here, so it's left on the bed. Okay, and I got video that there was curtains fell. That's it in here. Okay, y'all, this is about the end of the tour. This is the last room. Little closet area. Curtain's still up. I'm gonna put these towels on the floor in the bathroom. Take the trash out. That's it, y'all. It's a wrap. William! Door is locked. is shut and locked. We're gonna get Godfather's pizza to wrap up the trip. Okay, y'all, I'm back home and I'm finally ending off the Nebraska vlog. Days later, I ended up catching a cold when I got back. But y'all, guess what I came home to? Ooh! A little sneak peek of what's going on with the nursery. Babe surprised me. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the rest of the videos so you can see what's coming up next. Love y'all. Bye.